Hey, this is Pete from Abstract Ocean. Today we're going to install a mattress in our Model Y. So this is it. It does fit in the lower trunk, of course. Put it down there. So it can live there. But for now we're going to install it over the top of our floor mats. You don't have to, and it actually has Velcro strips, so if you wanted to lay it straight onto the carpet trim, then it would have some grip there. But we're going to lay it over the floor mats, which is what most people are likely to do anyway. So with that, we will get started. That audio is getting pretty bad, so we're going to switch to a voiceover instead. So I'll cover what I'm up to here, and then we'll speed through the mattress and fitted sheet installation. But in the storage bag, you get the fitted sheet, of course, which is on top in this separate little baggie. We'll fight with that later. And then we have the mattress, which is made up of three folding sections of memory foam, and then it's wrapped in kind of this velour fabric. So when you unpop these clips, it'll start to expand. That's the memory foam. Obviously packing it is the same, but in reverse. You do have to put a bit of effort into it, kind of like packing your suitcase when you're coming back from vacation or holiday and you've got a bit too much stuff in there. But it packs down pretty nicely, and of course it fits in the lower trunk once it's packed down. There's three sections. The first section we've removed is the middle section, and that should be the last section that goes on top of the storage bag when you repack it. And then there's a left and right section. You can identify those pretty easily just because they kind of kink out at the ends where the cubbies are at the back of the Model Y trunk. It's worth noting that once it's installed, it goes to about 74 inches. That's the length of the mattress, which is about 188 centimeters. So if you're 6 foot, you'll fit in there just fine without moving the front seats or anything. If you are taller, you can move the front seats forward. Right now we have ours set in a regular position for driving, so we've not made any adjustments. And then that'll give you a few more inches. It just means your toes will stick out over the end of the mattress. One other thing to note, the head end of the mattress, which I'm pointing at there, it has a rigid board on the underside of it, so although it extends beyond the end of where the rear seat is folded down, it still provides perfectly good support for your head. One other thing to note real quick is that each of the mattress panels has Velcro on the back. We left our floor mats installed when we did this. Most people are likely going to do that, but if you don't have floor mats, then it'll grip onto the carpet trim really nicely as well. Okay, it's time for me to fight with the fitted sheet, so we'll speed through this bit. Alright, so that was a lot of fun. We did iron this sheet before the video, as you can probably tell. But just like any fitted sheet, you kind of have to fight with it to get it lined up nicely. And obviously those creases will fall out as you use it. So with the pillows or cushions added, all that's left is to turn on romance mode and just wait for it to get dark. But hopefully you've enjoyed watching this video. I don't show it in the video, but at the head end for the fitted sheet, it actually wraps around the Model Y seats as well. So what would be the rear part of the seats, it wraps around that as well. So you get a bit more tension on the fitted sheet by doing that. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.